Hey there everyone, Ramesh here back again with another video. In this video, we are going to explore an exciting topic, how to use ChatGPT for blogging and SEO in 2025. Whether you are a beginner, blogger or experienced content creator, ChatGPT can help you write better content, optimize it for search engines and ultimately drive more traffic to your blog. So let us dive into step-by-step process. Step 1. Generating blog post ideas. One of the biggest challenges for bloggers is coming up with fresh, engaging blog post ideas. ChatGPT can help you generate dozens of topic ideas within a minute. For example, here I am using ChatGPT Plus, that is paid version, and here let us ask question to the ChatGPT to generate a blog post ideas. For example, here let us type the prompt, generate 10 blog post ideas for a tech blog focused on beginner programming tutorials and coding tips. Just submit this request and look at the ChatGPT response over here. So these are the 10 blog post ideas for tech blog focused on beginner programming tutorials and coding tips. Next, you can choose these ideas and accordingly you can create the blog post. Okay, so avoid using the prompt like this, give me blog post ideas. So this might result in a random list of topics that may not suit your niche. So don't ask this kind of questions. So mention everything in the prompt like this. Step 2. Creating detailed outlines. Once you have a blog post idea ready, the next step is to create a detailed outline. A good outline ensures that your blog post is well structured and easy to read. For example, so in order to create the detailed outlines, just enter the prompt in a ChatGPT like this. Create a detailed outline for 1500 word blog post titled, this is the title of the blog post, and the blog post should include introduction, 10 key points with brief explanations and conclusion. So make sure to add everything that you want in the response in the prompt like this. Okay, next send this prompt to the ChatGPT and look at the response of the ChatGPT over here. So this is a detailed outline for this blog post. It includes introduction and top 10 beginner tips for learning Python and conclusion. Okay, so whatever the questions you have mentioned in the prompt, that you will get in the output over here like this. Okay, so this is a detailed outline for this blog post. With this solid outline, you can easily expand each section into complete blog post. Step 3. Writing SEO friendly content. Writing high quality content is just one part of the equation. To rank well on search engines, your content needs to be optimized for SEO. ChatGPT can help you write SEO friendly content by including target keywords naturally and ensuring the readability. For example, if you want the content SEO friendly, then you can ask ChatGPT like this. Write a 1500 word blog post on this topic. Use a friendly tone. Include keyword this naturally throughout the post and ensure readability with short paragraphs and headings. So if you want the content that follows the SEO standards, then you can ask ChatGPT like this. Next, just send the prompt to ChatGPT and look at here. This post looks awesome. So this is the SEO standard title and followed by introduction of the blog post and followed by the subtitles, and you can also see the keywords in the blog post as well, like Python for beginners. Okay, so this blog post content follows SEO standards. So ChatGPT not only help you to produce the content, ChatGPT will help you to produce high quality content that can be well ranked on the search engines. But make sure to include everything in the prompt. So you have to ask ChatGPT properly. Then only ChatGPT can provide a proper answer to you. Okay, so if you want the content that should follow the SEO standards, then make sure to ask the question like this. Write a 1500 word blog post. So you can mention the length of the blog post like this 1500. If you want the word count to 2000, then you can mention 2000 over here. Okay, and just mention that the content should follow the SEO standards in the prompt, like the content should include the keywords and it should follow the readability and the short paragraphs and subtitles, all those stuff. Then only ChatGPT can produce the content which follows the SEO standards, and then the content can be ranked in the search engines. Next step is generating meta descriptions and titles. Meta descriptions and titles play a crucial role in improving your blog's click-through rate, that is CTR. ChatGPT can help create catchy and keyword-rich meta descriptions and titles. For example, if you want the meta description and titles, you can ask ChatGPT like this. Generate a meta title and meta description for the blog post titled, this is the title of the blog post. The target keyword is this. Keep the title under 60 characters and description under 160 characters. So if you want the metadata description and title, you can ask ChatGPT like this. So just submit this request and you can see here you will get the meta title and meta description. And whenever you publish the blog post, you can enter the title of the blog by using this and enter the title blog post description like this. So the blog post title and the meta description matters a lot. So whenever you search something in the Google, then here you can see the title and the meta description. So Google will basically use the title and meta description for ranking the pages. That's why whenever you publish the blog post, make sure to provide the title and meta description properly, and the meta description should include the keywords. Okay, and here you can see the keyword beginners, Python programming, Python. So these are the important keywords the users basically search with. Okay, perfect. Next step is improving the readability with ChatGPT. Well, readability is the key factor for user engagement and SEO. If your content is hard to read, visitors will leave quickly. This will lead to increase your bounce rate. So ChatGPT can help rewrite complex paragraphs to improve the readability. For example, let us say you have a blog post and some of the blog post paragraphs are hard to read. Then what you can do is you can ask ChatGPT to simplify the readability of that particular complex paragraph. For example, let us say this paragraph is hard to read. Then you can ask ChatGPT to improve the readability of this particular paragraph. For example, here just select the paragraph and then ask ChatGPT like improve this paragraph readability and hit enter. And notice here the ChatGPT basically rewrite this particular paragraph and improves the readability. So this is how you can ask ChatGPT to improve the readability of a particular paragraph, or you can also improve the readability of the complete blog post as well. Next step is generating frequently asked questions for your blog post. Well, adding an frequently asked questions section to your blog post can improve its SEO by targeting long tail keywords and enhancing user experience. ChatGPT can help generate a relevant frequently asked questions based on your blog post topic. So to generate the frequently asked questions for a blog post topic, you can give the prompt like this. Generate 5 frequently asked questions for a blog post on top 10 beginner tips for learning Python. Include concise answers. So if you want 10 frequently asked questions, then you can just replace 5 with 10 and just hit enter. So look at here, the ChatGPT generated frequently asked questions for this particular topic. Next step is generating internal and external links suggestions. Well, internal and external links are important for SEO. ChatGPT can suggest relevant internal links and external links. So here internal links means the links to your content on your website, and the external links means the links from the outside the sources. For example, if you want to add the internal and external links to the blog post, you can ask ChatGPT like this. Suggest 3 internal links and 3 external links for a blog post, and just mention the blog post title. Assume I have a blog post on Python basics, popular libraries and coding exercises. Just send the prompt and look at here. These are the internal links and these are the external links. So the internal links, basically the links to your own content on your website, and the external links are the links to the outside the website, that is the third party resources. Okay, so internal and external links are important for SEO, and ChatGPT can suggest the relevant internal and external links for your blog post like this. Alright, perfect. Alright, so these are the important 7 steps that you can follow using ChatGPT for blogging and SEO in 2025. So let us quickly recap the 7 steps to using ChatGPT for blogging and SEO in 2025. Generate blog post ideas using ChatGPT. Create detailed outlines using ChatGPT. Write SEO friendly content using ChatGPT. Generate meta descriptions and titles using ChatGPT. Improve readability of the paragraph using ChatGPT. Add relevant frequently asked questions using ChatGPT. Suggest internal and external links using ChatGPT. That's it for today's video on how to use ChatGPT for blogging and SEO in 2025. By following these steps and using the right prompts, you can create a better content, improve your SEO and grow your blog traffic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips on blogging, SEO and AI tools. And if you have any questions or want more detailed tutorials, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.